So why do mathematicians insist on proving everything? Math is the only subject in which you can prove your hypothesis with 100% accuracy. अब तक हम जान चुके हैं कि formulas को prove करना कितना important है, right? So let's try to prove the permutation formula, which is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. What does this theorem say? This theorem says that the number of permutations of n set of objects given r at a time equals n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on and so forth till it reaches n minus r minus 1, where n is greater or equal to r. So इस theorem को समझने से पहले let me take you through the fundamental principle of counting. So let's say we have 4 colored boxes. We have yellow, pink, green and blue, and we have 3 positions to fill those boxes in. So how many possible ways are there to fill 4 boxes on 3 positions? Let's find out. So let's say these are our 3 positions. First position को fill करने के लिए मेरे पास कितनी choices हैं? I have a yellow box, pink box, green box and blue box, right? So let's say I fill it with a pink box. अब second position के लिए मेरे पास कितने options हैं? I have blue, green and yellow boxes. So उसके लिए अगर मैं choose कर लूँ blue box, तो थर्ड पोजीशन के लिए मेरे पास अब 2 ऑप्शंस रह गए. कौन से? एक ग्रीन बॉक्स और एक येलो बॉक्स. सो इफ आई चूज अ ग्रीन बॉक्स फॉर द लास्ट पोजीशन, द नंबर ऑफ वेज आई कैन फिल 4 colored boxes into 3 positions would be 4 into 3 into 2. So now we have n colored boxes. For the first position, what can we write? N. For the second position, we're down 1 colored box, right? We can't repeat it, so we have to write it as n minus 1. For the third position क्या लिखेंगे हम? n minus 2, because अब 2 subtract करना है, 2 colored boxes are out of the question, right? And now we have to keep on doing this till the rth position, जिसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे? n minus r minus 1. सब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये n minus r minus 1 कैसे derive हुआ? So don't worry, let's explain it through a little bit of computation. अगर मैं first position जो कि n है, उसमें add और subtract 1 करूँ तो कोई difference तो नहीं होगा ना? 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'll do that for myself. I'll write 1 minus 1 is 0. Second position के लिए क्या होगा? n minus 2 minus 1 लिख सकते हैं, right? Because 2 minus 1 is 1 and compared to the previous equation, it is n minus 1, right? And third position के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? n minus 3 minus 1, because 3 minus 1 is 2. So compare करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा? n minus 2, right? If we keep on doing that till the rth position, what can we write? You know it. n minus r minus 1. So this is the same as 4 times 3 times 2. It's giving us all the possible arrangements of n colored objects given at r different positions. This is what permutation is. So the total permutations of n given at r is this. So I'm going to work out a little bit more, okay? And I'm going to multiply and divide by the same thing. What am I going to do? I'm going to multiply this by n minus r into n minus r minus 1 all the way to 3 into 2 into 1. And I'm going to divide this whole thing by the same thing, which is n minus r into n minus r minus 1 all the way to 3 into 2 into 1. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने एक और टर्म अब मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर दिए, तो ये क्यों किया है? अगर आप गौर से इस फॉर्मूला को देखें तो ये क्या बनता है? It starts with n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 all the way to 3 into 2 into 1. तो कुछ याद आया आपको? फैक्टोरियल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? It starts with the number that ends with 3 into 2 into 1. So this is n factorial, right? Now what have we divided it by? n minus r into 1 less of n minus r, which is n minus r minus 1, and it goes all the way to 3 into 2 into 1. So this would be, you're right, n minus r factorial. So now we have proven the formula of permutation, which is npr is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial.